Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Wholesale2B to Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Wholesale2B account. Navigate to the My Stores section in the dashboard. Select your Shopify store from the list of connected stores. If you haven't connected your Shopify store yet, click on Add Store. Follow the prompts to authorize Wholesale2B to access your Shopify account. Once connected, return to the My Stores section. Now, locate the product listings you'd like to transfer. You can filter products by category to streamline the selection process. Select the products you wish to add to Shopify. Click on the Add to Shopify button. Wholesale2B will prompt you to confirm the transfer. Once confirmed, the system will begin transferring the selected products. You will receive a notification when the transfer is complete. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel. Check the Products section to view the newly added items. Review each product listing for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to descriptions, pricing, and images. Consider setting up collections for better organization. Ensure that your Shopify store's theme aligns with your brand. Next, configure shipping options to match your fulfillment process. Review your payment settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Lastly, publish your store or the new products if you haven't already. Now your products from Wholesale2B should be successfully transferred to Shopify. You're ready to start selling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.